Now that I've completed the first page of this exercise, I'm going to move on to the second page with my scribble line using the split complementary. So just to kind of remind you, these are the other three, so you could see the difference in textures. You could see the difference in how the color schemes affect the red. So it's the same red, different color scheme. Same red, same sphere, different textures. Okay, so you can see the difference. So now I'm going to move over here onto the second page, and I'm onto Scribble Line. And since I've already used monochromatic, complementary, and analogous, I'm on to split complementary. So split complementary, once again, I'm going to be using my red. And split complementary basically states that I find the colors complement, and I use the colors that are to the left and to the right. Or left, right, depending on how you're looking at this video, right? So that would be your left, that would be your right. Sorry about that. Okay, so that would be yellow, green, and blue, green. Looking at my colors, I don't really have a yellow, green, and blue, green, so what's my solution? My solution is going to be to actually mix to create the color I need. Does that make sense? So yeah, this becomes a little more complicated. Okay, so let's get it going. So I'm using a scribble line. Remember, a scribble line is going to be a fairly erratic, spontaneous line. I like to refer to it as kind of like a controlled chaos. Okay, there we go. Now, I have to decide what am I going to use to make the green, the red darker. I'm going to choose the blue-green. Okay, so just like with the other ones, I'm going to start nice and light, and I'm going to start here with a green. Nice sporadic line. Okay, then I'm going to add some of the blue on top of that as well, because remember, it's blue-green, not just green, because it is split complementary. Then I come back on top with the red. Sporadic line. I want to be able to see texture. Notice how I kind of move the oil pastel, and I kind of rotate as I'm going, so I get that spontaneous line. You notice I got pretty much accomplished that fairly quickly. Okay, and then I'm going to pull this over to the other side, and once again I use white to dark or to lighten. Again, it's a sporadic line. And then I come back over, and it's all about the texture. So I should be able to see a difference in texture. Okay, compare that with your other ones, and you're going to be able to see that there is a difference. If you don't see a difference, you did something wrong. If it looks like this, your lines are not sporadic enough. Okay, they tend to blend in way too much. Cool? All right, good luck.